Hi children, good day to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. And what are we going to learn today? That is, we are going to learn three parts of the grammar. The first one is subject, verb and agreement. The another one is nouns. The third one is articles. Welcome to the English class of grammar, right? Yes. Now we are going to see subject, verb and agreement. First we will see what is subject, verb and agreement. Here subject has to get along with verb, right? Subject has to get along with verb. It must go together hand in hand, okay? So the rule of the subject, verb and agreement is when subject is in singular, the verb also is in singular. When the subject is in plural, the verb also will be in plural, right? So you cannot ask why the subject should be in singular and why the verb should be in singular. It is the rule of the subject, verb and agreement, right? Yes, hope you will understand. Now let us identify what are singular subjects and plural subject. Okay, now you are going to identify, right? Singular subject refers to only one subject. Okay, the singular subject refers to only one subject. For example, I have given the name Maria, the boy, the girl and he. They are single person, right? Maria is a single person and the boy, we are just pointing out a particular boy, right? The girl, we are telling about a particular girl. Then he, we are pointing out he and she. So these are the singular subject. These are the examples for singular subject. Then plural subject refers to two or more subject. Their singular subject refers to only particular person, particular thing, right? Here I have given examples for this plural subject. Rustam and Shorab. Here Rustam is a subject and Shorab is another subject. Okay, so therefore there are two persons here. So we consist of so many people and we belong, so we consist of many people, right? And they also, you say they are, they have, so they also consist of many people. Therefore these are the examples for plural subject. Now identify the following subject is singular or plural. It's for you to understand. Now I have given the name Priyan. Is it singular or plural subject? It is a singular subject. Priyan is a one boy, right? The leaves. Is it singular or plural? Yes, very good. It's a plural subject, okay? Why it's plural? So many leaves joined together, it becomes leaves. So many leaves joined together, we call it as leaves, okay? So the little baby. So we are talking about a little baby, a particular baby, one baby, okay? So it is singular or plural? So it's a singular, right? Then my neighbors, if it is my neighbor, it is a singular. Now I have given my neighbors, so there are so many people, my relatives, there are so many people, therefore it is plural subject. Here the children, the child is a singular form, children is the plural form, right? So the children is a plural subject. Then all footballers is a plural subject. Do you all understand, children, what is singular subject and plural subject? Yes, hope you understood. Then when the subject is singular, I told you in the beginning the rule of the verb, subject, verb and agreement. When the subject is in singular, verb plus yes and plural plus verb, okay? When the subject is singular, verb plus, with the verb we add yes, right? With the verb we add yes. When the subject is plural, subject plus verb, we don't add anything, okay? With the verb we don't add yes, but when it is singular we add yes with verb, okay? This is a rule of the subject, verb and agreement. Now the girl jumps with joy. I have given few examples here. The girl jumps with joy, okay? So here the girl is a subject, the jumps is verb. Here I have added yes to the verb. Why? Because the girl is subject. When the subject is singular, therefore we add yes with verb, okay? The little girl speaks with affection. Here also same thing. Here the little girl, the girl is a subject, speaks is verb. Okay, here I add yes here. Then the boy binds the book all by himself. Here the boy is a singular subject, right? So therefore I add yes near the verb. Okay, I add yes here. Then the leaves fall in autumn. Here the leaves is a plural subject. Do you all understand now the difference between subject, singular and plural? Yes, here the leaves fall in autumn. I didn't write here falls. Okay, I didn't add yes near the verb because these are plural subject. Okay, my brother and sister argue over small things. Why I didn't write here argues? Because here there are two persons, therefore it is plural. My brother and sister, so therefore this is the plural subject. There are two subjects here, so therefore it is plural subject. Yes, the little baby sleeps all the time. So here also the subject is singular, therefore I add yes near the verb plural. So near the verb sleeps. Then the footballers kick the ball effortlessly. Here I have written kick because the footballers is a plural subject. Therefore here also I have written the same thing. I didn't add yes here. Yes children, and this is the subject verb in agreement. Hope you have understood, and there are some exercises in your books also. You can try to do that having this subject verb in agreement as your base for the continuous exercise also. Okay, then we'll go to the other one, nouns. Now what is nouns? Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. For example, nouns are the words that name people, animal, thing, places, feelings and quality, and all that are called as nouns. Okay, I have given some examples here. Car is a noun. It's a name of the thing. Okay, so thing, it is a thing. Okay, car. Then it's the name of the person. Who is he? He is Washington Irving. Okay, Washington Irving, the author of Rip Van Winkle. Recently we have studied this, right? So it's a ball. So these are the examples for nouns. Okay, then now we are going to learn kinds of nouns. Okay, there are 4 kinds of nouns, and we'll see what are those things. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. What are those things children? Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun, and we are going to see each one is what. Okay, now common noun. Common noun is the name given to the person, places, things and animals of the same kind. Okay, this is called as common noun. And I have given few examples here. Lawyer, why do we say lawyer as common name? See, and whomever finished the study of law, they are called as lawyers. Okay, and we don't particularize, we don't name them. So commonly we are calling they are lawyers. The people are standing, those who have finished their law, and people are standing with court, we call them lawyers. We do not know their names. Okay, therefore it is a lawyer. So common name for lawyer. Then country, we don't specifically talk about a country. Okay, just altogether we say as country, we don't name it to the country. Okay, then dog, and we have some pet dog at home. We don't name, we like Sweetie, like Brownie. We have so many names to the dog, right? If we name that comes under another noun, right? Now here generally we are talking about the dog. Okay, so therefore it comes under common noun. Okay, then men, all are called as men, but we have particular name for each person, right? We have particular name for each person, like Raj, Ramya, Reshma. So like that, we have so many names to each person, right? Here we don't particularize, right? So just we say they are men. Then day, all the 7 days are called as day. We don't specifically say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, let us see which noun comes under. Okay, if it is Sunday, Monday, if you started naming it, it comes under proper noun. Okay, these are called as common noun, right? Now we will get into proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the special name given to a particular person, place, animal or thing. Okay, I told you before itself, proper name is a particular name given to the person, animal or thing. Okay, so here I have given example, Raj. Raj is a proper name. I told you, here lawyer. See, lawyer is a common name. Why do we say lawyer? It's a common. We generally call us lawyers. Okay, if the same thing, if I give lawyer, Venkat. Venkat is a lawyer, means Venkat comes under what noun? It comes under proper noun. Now do you understand, children, difference between common noun and proper noun? Yes, Ahmedabad is a proper noun. Neptune, we have given name, right? Neptune is a proper noun. Greece is a proper noun. Hope you will understand. At the end, you will see few exercises also. Okay, children? Yes. Now, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? The name given to a quality, concept, idea, experience and feelings, and this is called as abstract noun. Example for abstract noun is kindness, childhood, enmity, anger, all the emotions, happiness, sad, then what else? These are comes under anything that we talk about, some quality, some characters of the person and idea of something. When we talk, these are comes under this abstract noun. Yes, children, do you get me now? Yes, very good. Then collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animal, things of the same kind taken together as whole. Okay, it's a collective of people or persons, so like that. So example, flight bunch. So we'll say bunch of flowers, a bunch of key. When so many keys are together, we call it as bunch of key, and where so many flowers are together, we say bunch of flowers, right? So like that. Class, group means there are many small groups and there are many people consist of one group is called as group. And gang also same thing, there are many people in one gang. So okay, so it's like that. It's a collective noun. So collecting together. So there are so many collecting. So collective noun. Okay, children, do you understand now? Yes. Now examples. Now we are going to find out which noun it is. Okay, I need to practice grammar more often. Okay, I need to practice grammar more often. Now it is common noun. Here they have the grammar. We have to see the grammar, and grammar, there are so many kinds of grammar like articles, noun, pronoun, and verb and agreement that we are seeing now, and prepositions, kinds of sentences. So many are there, but generally we are talking about grammar. We don't particularize anything there. So therefore it is common noun. Do you understand, children, now? Yes. Then Mr. Bitwala has been transferred to Jhansi. So it is a proper noun. Why do we call this a proper noun? We have named the person here. So okay, we are particularizing somebody. So therefore it is proper noun. Then the judgment on the case is bending. This is an abstract noun. The we have to take the judgment, which said quality, experience, idea and concept, all that is coming under abstract noun. Okay, therefore it comes under abstract noun. Then they picked a whole bunch of grapes from the vine. They picked whole bunch of grapes from the vine. So what noun this is? Collective noun. We told it's a group of things and group of people and group of animal and group of something together. It's called as what? It is collective noun. Very good. So will you do some, if I give you some exercise, will you do that, children? Yes, already we have done in the grammar book back exercises we have done, and if you have any doubt also, you can just go through your books also, right? If you have any doubt, you can go through the video also. Okay, children? Yes. Then we will shift on to the articles. Okay, now we are going to see what are the articles. The articles are a, an and the. These are used before nouns and sometimes with before adjectives, right? Sometimes it has been used before adjectives, right? Now we have seen what are nouns. There are so many: place, things, persons, qualities. So these are the nouns. Generally these are nouns, okay? So these articles will be used before nouns or adjectives, right? Yes. Now we are going to see the article A. A comes before singular nouns that begin with consonant sound, okay? We saw what is singular subject and plural subject. So same thing, that is those things, all the things are called as nouns. So now singular noun and plural nouns. So, okay, A comes before singular nouns. It's a particular thing. So particular or single thing. When we talk about single person or particular person, we can add A, okay? Examples: a rat, a unit, a xylophone, okay? So before all that, it's a singular nouns, okay? We are adding this A, okay? A. Then an comes before singular nouns that begin with vowel sound, okay? What are the vowel sound? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U, right? A, E, I, O, U. So before that, it begins with the vowel sound. The word that begins with vowel sound, and we add and there, okay? Or mute H. So what is the meaning is, so whenever there is H sound comes, we don't pronounce like honor, we don't say honor, ha, we don't pronounce as honor, we say honor, okay? So whenever this sound comes, we add here this an, right? So example: an apple, an ice cube, an or, an umbrella, okay? An umbrella. These are the examples for an, okay? Then a and an are indefinite articles, okay? Indefinite articles used to speak of someone or something for the first time. When you speak something or speak of something or speak of some person first time, so we add this a or an, and these are the rules, right? The first, we have given few examples so that I will understand better, okay? The cow is a gentle animal, okay? Cow is a gentle animal. We are speaking about a particular thing, so we are saying then Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean. So here, why we are adding an here? So before that, there is a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U, right? So, okay. I returned home an hour ago. See, same thing, an hour ago. Then I had a slice of pizza for lunch. Okay, then he is a teacher. Okay, so we are so A and use infinite articles used to speak of someone or something for the first time. He is a teacher. Is a yes. Now this is the definite. The is a. Then now we saw A and an, right? A and an. Now the article. The another article is the. The is a definite article, refers to someone or something already mentioned, that has been already mentioned. Okay, when we talk about that, we will add this article the. Okay, we use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. The rule number 6, second time also we use the, right? When you mention something, a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned second time, we use this the. We use the article the before uncountable nouns. For examples, I'll tell you the examples, okay, for the uncountable nouns and superlatives: geographical areas, rivers, mountains, with the name of the newspaper, famous building. So before all this, we can use the, and there are plenty also. We can use the. For example, the sun rises in the east. I told you, with the second time. Where did I article refers to someone or something, use mentioned a second time. So second, the sun rises in the east. So there are, we write here twice it has come. Yes, the has come twice. Yes, and there are few more examples. This is the tallest building in Delhi. I told you know before superlative degree also we can add the. So this is the tallest building. Here we say the tallest is a superlative degree, right? So talking about a building, it's the tallest building. So it's the tallest, okay, among all the buildings. So therefore we use here the. Okay, the Himalayas are the tallest mountain in the world. The Himalaya is the tallest mountain in the world. Not only because of here superlative, but here the Himalaya, I told you know before, the mountain, rivers, or is a building, a newspaper, and famous place, or famous building, art, culture. So whenever these things comes, we can add the before that. Okay. So the Himalayas are the tallest mountain in the world. So before this mountain, we are talking about the mountain here, Himalayas. So therefore we write here the. The Nile is the longest river. Okay, I told you know the rule. It is a rule where we have to add the article the. So the Nile is the longest river. I read about it in the Times of India. It's not only Times of India, that in the Hindi newspaper or in Dinamani, in the so like that. When we talk about newspapers, there are many newspapers, so we can add the article there. Okay. Then have you visited the Taj Mahal? So Taj Mahal is a famous building, famous place and famous building. Therefore we can add the in that the article near the Taj Mahal, right? Do you all understand, children? Now we have learned three things. There are three parts of the grammar. One is subject, verb and agreement. Another one is noun and the articles, and there are so many examples and exercise in your grammar book, so you can go through that, and I have given answers also for that, and we have finished doing the exercise in the grammar book. So once again you just go through by having this video as base of your grammar, just go through everything. Okay, wish you all the best for your exam, children. Get ready for the exams and do well. Thank you very much.